Yes, right. Hello traders, welcome back again. It's your boy Roger FFX. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my bias on Euro USD. As you can see in our weekly time frame, you can easily see that we are currently in what? A downtrend. As you can see, we are in a what? A downtrend. So what I'm looking for currently in this scenario, since we are in the weekly time frame, so as you know guys, our bias is a downtrend. So I'm going to mark my levels. As you can see, there is on a trend line here. So in a weekly, we are in the third touch of the trend line. A third touch of the what? Trend line. And remember, we also in a support, on the same third touch of the trend line. We have support, there is again a strong resistance, and remember we are in the third touch. So when you go deep down back in our daily time frame, let's see. So we expect the market to continue to move to the downside. So when you go to the daily time frame, you can easily see that I'm seeing a reversal candlesticks happening. Look at it. Now our third touch, we can see market came like this, tapped our support, retraced, gave again, but never broke above that. Again dropped it. That means it's changed our structure. Look at it. Look at this one. So that means this is a break of structure. Now this market is trying to realign the what? More of the bears. So let's see. Possibly I'm looking for a sales in this region. Remember we are in our third touch. So, and remember it gave us what? A change of character. So when you go down deep in the 4-hour time frame, let's see what's really happening. My network so a bit lagging. I don't know whether it's weather. So you can see in our 4-hour time frame, I still have, as you can see, let me mark this level. We are in the what? The inside trend line. We are in the what? We have our trend line here. First touch, second touch, as you can see. Our third touch, as you can see. Our first touch, second touch, our third touch. The market went, though it never reached to our level, to continue to the what? The upside. It never broke above this. So that means it's giving me that bears are still in control of this market. So remember, we are on the third touch. It broke this inline, what, the trend line of the 4-hour time frame. So what are we looking for? We are looking for this thing. We are looking for this market to come here. Remember, we have our zones, our key zones here, whereby the market came, bounced back, then it came, reacted around here. And the beauty of this, if you go down deep in a 15-minute time, you can see that this is a double top. Tapped, came back, then it came, tapped. So but there is a struggle here, you guys. There is a struggle around this region here, that who is probably by next week it will decide, the market will decide by itself that where is this thing going. So possibly my bias on this I'm looking for to catch these sales from here, probably uh, around this region here. Then what am I looking for? I'm looking for first of all to hit this. Our first target is that one. Our first target is this. Then if we go in the daily time frame, you could see uh, where our next target is. Our next target uh, around here. Our next target will be around here, taking this liquidity here, because this is all liquidity bunched around here on this trend line. So in overall, we are looking at this market to go to the downside. We are looking for this market to go to the downside. As remember, we are in the third touch of the channel, so we are anticipating this market to come from here. This reacts. Remember, when it reacts, that's when I decide when to place a trade, because anything can happen. You know, this is a market, it's not controlled by your family member. So you guys, this is what is happening. See the reaction, see what is going through, look for your entry properties and enjoy the ride. So we are looking up this thing to come around here, this around here. Remember, we are in the third touch, and the third touch of the trend line, always the market bounces, as you know. The rule of trend lines. Well guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Hope for the best, and make sure that if you are not subscribed to this channel, so that you give me momentum of giving this kind of content to you guys. Hello, bye bye, salute.